your feet on the ground, even if you don't know where you stand. Keep your mind free from doubt and try to find yourself again. 'Cause tomorrow's another day, and maybe somehow things have changed. And if they still stay the same, that's okay, you'll find a way. I sink the solace of the ocean, let the waves wash me away, cleanse myself of all my sins, strip the scars from my skin, and walk away through mist and rain, not looking back at the things I passed. Tomorrow will come and I'll pretend, but I forget. The seed is planted, began to bloom. Dig a little deeper, pull out the roots, till there's nothing left to thaw. Through mist and rain I walk, but tomorrow's another day, and maybe somehow things have changed. And if they still stay the same, that's okay, we'll find a way.